Hey plant lover, welcome once again. How have you been? Please tell me that you've been waiting for a new video for quite some time. So here I am. And as we start, I want to share that we have been growing at a great pace. And I'm so thankful to everyone who did watch the videos and supported the channel. Thank you. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe right away. Well, now, what are we doing today? Today, we will find out what should be added to the soil mix so that Bougainvillea cuttings not just grow well, but also flower within a couple of months. Yes, let me be quite honest here. The results we'll be witnessing today in the video are quite shocking, and I'm sure it'll change the way you grow your Bougainvillea cuttings or any other cutting for that matter. This video is here to bust some long-standing myths, and how we will know shortly. Please make sure you watch the whole video, and yes, if you have any planter friends, let's make sure this video also reaches out to them. So like and share. I have invested a lot of time and energy in this video, so make sure you show some love and support. Without any more delay, let's dive into this interesting video. We are here where it all begins. Procure some cuttings. I'm getting these cuttings from a plant that is 4+ years old. There is no prerequisite here that the plant should be in bloom or the cutting we get is with flowers. Either one would be fine. They're all mature and brown. Let us make the cuttings. 6 to 8 inches in length, half a centimeter in diameter. Make a slanted cut on each at the bottom. Scar the bottom on all sides carefully and make a solution of cinnamon powder and water and let the cuttings sit in this for about 2 hours. Cuttings are done. Now let us get our ingredients. I have selected 4 most common ingredients available at most places. So when we get to the results, you wouldn't be disappointed because the best one would be readily available wherever you are and you would be able to make use of it. So the ingredient number 1, desert sand. I'm in Dubai, so I can find it anywhere. Ingredient number 2, gravel. Got it from a construction site. Ingredient number 3, ground sand. Got it from an old and beaten pathway. Ingredient number 4, river sand. Again, got it from a construction site. We also have the normal garden soil as the base in our experiment. Nothing fancy about the soil, just fresh and unused. Now here is the layout of the process. I'll be mixing 1 part of the ingredient and 3 parts of garden soil in a transparent disposable cup, so on and so forth, with other ingredients as well. Let's do it. I have marked the cup river sand. We are mixing 1 part of river sand and 3 parts of garden soil. Making of the desert sand cup. Of the ground sand cup. Making of the gravel cup. Now a couple of important things. Pre-soak the cups, make drainage holes, and you're all set to simply insert the cuttings in the cups. "10 days into the propagation process and we have got all the cuttings coming in all well, and soon the ingredients would start to kick in with their advantages and disadvantages. Day 12. They were in the shade all this time. Day 14. Time to let these cuttings be in the sun for 2 hours. Day 16. Time to let these cuttings be in the sun for maximum hours each day. Day 18. Let me ask you again, what do you think would happen? Which ingredient will make the cutting flower in the shortest period of time? Pause the video and key in your responses. Come on, do it. Trust me, it'll be fun, and let me see how many of you do get it right. Let us see what's going on inside the cup. How are the roots shaping up? Are they visible yet or no? Look closely. Nothing as far as the desert sand or the ground sand is concerned. However, river sand and gravel, both ingredients have made sure the roots are visible. Day 23. All the cuttings are in great competition with each other except the one in desert sand. Another interesting observation is that the leaves on the gravel cup look greener and darker, and that's a great sign. Also, please note that you need to water the cuttings every second day, and if you cannot, then add a small amount of perlite so that the pot can hold water for just that little bit longer. Then water every 4 days. Time to check the roots again. The desert sand cutting has almost given up, and that's sad. In rest of the cups, roots are visible. Gravel cup is looking better in terms of overall root structure. Day 30. Day 50. This is what you've been waiting for. Let me reveal the bloom process is underway. We will see the formation of bracts. Although not technically part of the Bougainvillea flower, these are specialized leaves which are called bracts. They surround the tiny true flowers. Bracts are the ones which give distinct colors to the Bougainvillea flowers. So this is what we will be looking at right now. I just heard you say this can't get any better. To that I say it can, and here is the complete time lapse of Bougainvillea flowering. I'm sure you haven't seen it before. Here it is. We are at day 55 and one of the cuttings is all flowering. That's the gravel cup, and ground sand is close second as buds and bracts are all forming. Should flower within a week or so. And the third place goes to the cup that had river sand as the assisting ingredient. So the myth around river sand being the best in business is out of the window. You might ask, why those results? Well, it has to do with the loosened soil. Simply put, a fair amount of breathing space for the roots given gravels assisted in formation of timely air pockets in the pot. So next time you want your bougainvillea cuttings to flower within 2 months of propagation, you know what to do and more importantly, how to do it. Other ingredients work great as well, except of course the desert sand. Just that they won't get you flowers so quickly. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're still not done with feasting your eyes, I have some more shots for you, so keep watching. It was great fun presenting this video to you. Once again, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Last 1 year has been great, and I think this kind of support will only make me better at bringing in quality content in the future as well. Most of you would attest to the fact that no comment, question or a suggestion goes unanswered on this channel, and I'm proud of that fact. So in case you have anything to share, feedback, suggestion or question, please feel free to post it in the comments and we will have a discussion to sort whatever things we need to. I'll see you again soon. Until then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.